Hi everybody, this is Klaus Severson, the founder of Assaya here. I just came back from Europe and finished the mandatory 3-day quarantine in Taiwan. The Taiwan government has provided us with these two test kits that we're supposed to take at the end of the 3-day quarantine and at the end of the 4-day quarantine, the four days following. So inside this kit we have a tube, a specimen tube here with the reagent inside. Then we have the nasal swab. Of course, we have the test cassette. So what we're going to do here today is demonstrate the Assaya system, how it works. It's basically here the test cassette from Abbott. What I'm going to do, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to put it into our iax-2101 reader. This is blank right now, so what I'm going to do is, by using the mobile app here, I'm going to then just basically scan the me code. So now you can see that the blank cassette has been now linked with my mobile app. And then when we go into the screen that's called tests, you will now see that this test will now say pending. So if you click on this test, you see here is pending. Okay. So now this test has been linked with my profile. All I have to do is now develop this test, which is quite easy to do just by using the nasopharyngeal swab. And of course we just follow the kit instructions here, which is to put this in here, basically do the swab 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then put the reagent into the buffer, adding the reagent in here just like that, and then stirring this up a little bit. Typically we do this for about 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure we get all the goodies into the mixture and start the ELISing reagent or the reaction, just about there. Okay, and then basically swap, press it against the side, throw away this, put the cap on. Now all we have to do is take off the other tip and apply the 3 drops there. 4 drops, and now the test cassette starts reacting. So now we're going to just wait for you can see the test is already start developing. So we're going to now just wait for 15 minutes and come back with the result. Yeah, so now it's been 15 minutes and the test cassette is now fully developed. So what we're going to do, put it back into the analyzer, and as you can see here, we now have not only the test result, which is negative, but we also have an equivalent PCR value, which we call eCt, equivalent cycle threshold value, which is compared and calibrated against PCR. So that's at 49, which is quite a negative test. Now we can look at the app, and in the app you will now see that the result that was pending before, now we go back to tests and refresh. Now that test has changed to negative. So that just took a couple of seconds. And then you get the PCR value there as well. That's it. That's how simple the system is, and that's how we do it here at Assaya. For more videos, check us out at youtube.com/Assaya. Thank you for watching.